Today's calmit19 art lesson is how to make a paper plate mandala. This is a mandala. A mandala is a circle-shaped design. They are beautiful. You can Google mandalas and get some ideas for your design. Here are the materials that we're going to need today. You're going to need your scissors. You may need a paintbrush. We're going to need some different color yarns, and you can use your poster paint. Okay, so we're going to take a paper plate and we're going to use our scissors and we're going to go around. You can see the first picture. You're going to cut. Look how I did that, little triangles going all the way around the outside of the brim of the plate. Then you're going to take a color yarn and you're going to wrap it around the plate, tying it. You see the purple, I tied it on the back. Here's what it looks like when you get it all on. Just keep going around and tying it in the back on the center. Once you get that done, I want you to take a colored yarn and you're going to start to weave around the center. It is over, under, all the way around. You got to keep going. It'll start to look like this. Keep going, keep weaving. Here's another example. This little boy did his without cutting the triangles. You can use a styrofoam plate and just cut 1 inch around, and you can do it that way. Here's what the center will start to look like. You change color yarn by tying the string to the next color string, but continue to do over and under and push it tight. Here's the sun one that I showed you with the triangles. All the way to the edge you go. Now sometimes at the end you want to put a darker color to show that you're finished. Here's another example on the paper plate. You can see over, under, and then a nice dark blue going around the outside. Now this little boy painted his paper plate, which you can do in a mandala design, and then add the string on top. That's extra beautiful. Here's an example of that. You can see how the colors underneath, the rainbow colors, really help to make the design beautiful. Remember the same idea. You tie it together and you go over and under, even if you paint on the bottom. Now, some kids get really fancy and they add beads and shells. This little group of kids is adding some beads on there. So you would take the string, add the bead, and continue to go over and under. Here's the finished product. Have fun. You can make these all the time. Some kids have 2 or 3 going at the same time. Just have fun and enjoy making your mandalas.